Hi everyone, I'm Mohgahnah Gopal Krishnan, student at OUM, going to present about innovation and the types of innovation for Innovation and Technology Management course. An innovation is the process of translating an idea or invention into a good or service that creates value or for which customers will pay. To be called an innovation, an idea must be replicable and at an economical cost and must satisfy a specific need. Innovation involves deliberate application of information, imagination, and initiative in delivering greater or different values from resources and includes all process by which new ideas are generated and converted into useful products. In business, innovation often results when ideas are applied by the company in order to further satisfy the needs and expectations of the customers. In a social context, innovation helps create new methods for alliance creation, joint venturing, flexible work hours, and creation of buyers' purchasing power. Here, we will look at the basic type of innovation with explanation. First of all, disruptive innovation is a theory that refers to a concept, product, or a service that creates a new value network, either by entering an existing market or by creating a completely new market. In the beginning, disruptive innovations have lower performance when measured by traditional value metrics, but has different aspects that are valued by a small segment of the market. These types of innovation are often capable of turning non-customers into customers, but do not necessarily appeal to the needs and preferences of the mainstream customers, at least not just yet. What makes disruptive innovation difficult is that established organizations are completely rational when making decisions related to their existing business. They fail to adjust to the new competition because they are too focused on optimizing the existing offering or business models that has proven to be successful in the market so far. Thus, the market is generally disrupted by a new entrant rather than an incumbent. This phenomenon called innovator's dilemma is actually quite logical because the existing market is often bigger and the margins are better. The second is sustaining innovation. Is the opposite of disrupting innovation as it exists in the current market, and instead of creating new value networks, it improves and grows the existing ones by satisfying the needs of a customer. Just like incremental innovation, the product performance of sustaining innovation is made slightly better with every iteration reducing defect. The new improved version of the product can be more expensive and have higher margins than the previous one if it targets more demanding, high-end customers with better performance than what was previously available. However, it might as well be cheaper if it leads to higher volumes and thus higher absolute profits. The third is a basic innovation. Basic innovation executed in the background but normally largely responsible for big innovations. Most large companies have a team behind them dedicated to researching every day or have agreements with universities and research centers who help in this task. The last innovation I'm going to discuss about is breakthrough innovation. Breakthrough innovation are quite diverse. For example, some use it as a synonym for disruptive innovation, where others refer to it as a specific significant technological advance that makes a large impact on the efficiency or cost of a given product or services or process. However, what virtually all of the definitions have common is that breakthrough innovation is considered to be something that fundamentally changes the dynamics of a given industry or market. As such, we see as more and often an umbrella term for innovation that achieve this kind of dramatic impact, not as a specific type of innovation. Based on our experience, most of the time breakthrough innovation is not actually just a single innovation. To be concluded, innovation can be categorized in many ways, and the point of this qualification is to deepen your understanding of what types of opportunities there are and how different types of innovation can work in your business context. The most ambitious innovators find the right mix of the ones above and apply them as extensively as possible within their organizations. Instead of relying on a single R&D process or a single type of innovation, they use and manage different types of innovation holistically and systematically. Thank you for your time.